Guys, to create a game pass on roblox, go to roblox in browser and go to this website, roblox.com. Now click on continue in browser. Once you reach here, guys, click on this create option or tap on this create tab. Now click on three dots, tap on three dots and choose desktop site mode. So it will open the website in desktop mode. Now since the new update, everything has changed in roblox. So uh, now you to create game pass, in the experience tab, tap on this image by default experience. Now go to this menu option and now you will see option here associate items. So in associate items you will be able to create game pass. So just tap on it. Now you can see that there is option game pass. So let me change the color, passes. So in passes you will be able to create game passes. So game pass, just click on or tap on this create a pass, and where you have to choose image for your game pass. Then you have to choose the name and the description. Now guys, once you're ready, just click on this create pass option and your game pass will be created. So after creating the game pass, it will review your image and game pass, and now you can set it up for the sale. Just tap on the game pass and tap on the menu and tap on sales. Now enable it for the sale, and you can choose the price here. So I'm gonna choose it for 50 robux. And so now since the creator will only get 70% of it, so you will get, or I will get 35 of it. So yeah, now you can tap on the save changes and your game pass setting has been complete. Now it is up for the sale, but you have to set up a stand for it. So you have to open the please donate game, and where you have to put it on a stand for the sale. And if you want to know the full process of please donate, let me know in comment section. And because I have already made the video on that, you can find the video in the description, where I have told how to put the game pass on a stand to sale. And thanks for watching, guys. Till then, bye bye.